Ever heard something that made you spill your tea, roll your eyes, or plain laugh out loud? Welcome to Say What Now TV, your place for daily content on tongue-slipping, mind-bending social issues and trending topics around the world. Be amazed, get annoyed, be entertained. Welcome to another episode of Say What Now TV. Today's episode takes us to the United States of America. Are you a fan of horror flicks and zombies? Well, they could be realer than we think. The Center for Disease Control of the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services has preparedness measures for all types of hazards, and a zombie apocalypse is on the list. The display of preparedness measures for zombies on the CDC website began as a playful campaign to engage new audiences. The tactic worked and has pulled a diverse audience of interest. The disclaimer put out by the CDC is that there is no real zombie apocalypse on the horizon, but the term zombie preparedness has been effective in the pitching of all hazard preparedness measures. According to CDC bloggers, the use of zombie stories to sell the message of disaster preparedness is less scary than facing the reality of looming hazards like terrorism, controversial wars, and even environmental concerns. The claim is that the problems of real hazards melt away with a heightened interest in zombies. It is stated that people have disaster preparedness on the brain, but it's a lot safer psychologically to consider a zombie disaster rather than a hurricane, an earthquake, or even a tsunami disaster. The view is that people shut down when confronted with real anxiety, and planning for an actual crisis is more frightening than zombies. Make it a zombie attack, and then our heads become inflated and highly imaginative in preparing our survival kits. In essence, planning for a zombie siege is way cooler than dealing with a highly contagious outbreak. This is laughable because isn't that how becoming a zombie works? The zombie apocalypse movement is so large that there are preparedness posters for zombies, graphic novels, and popular read blogs. The preparedness measures extend even to clinical simulation exercises being conducted by nurse and health professionals at the Drexel University. Believe it or not, you can now get a degree in zombies. The Michigan State University has course syllabuses including, you guessed it, zombies. The program has been implemented since 2012. The message is that if you are prepared for a zombie apocalypse, you are pretty much prepared for any emergency. All the buzz around zombies and the Center for Disease Control's active engagement in a zombie preparedness campaign makes one wonder how far-fetched the threat really is. Check out the description box below for links to zombie preparedness content on the CDC's website. Share your views in the comments below and be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Also, check out another episode of Say What Now TV. Do you have a burning issue that would shock or entertain our viewers? Share your scoop at saywhatnowtv10@gmail.com.